morning, guys. As you can see, I'm trying to get in the snow. This is literally crazy. So obviously where we've had so much wind, it's like drifted everywhere. Oh my god. So if you can see all of this, look, it literally goes up to like the top of my boots. So yeah, it's freezing. Welcome to another video. Today's obviously going to be a snow day video. Hopefully we can take Lia in the school and go on a sledge with her, maybe go find some hills or something. But yeah, honestly, I literally cannot believe this. Absolutely freezing. Bruno is loving life because obviously he's a hussy and everything. But once you're ready, go. But yeah, I'm going to go back out now. But obviously, I don't think you guys need a time lapse because time lapse of us marking out is literally in every single video. So I'll check back with you once I've finished them and I've fed them, etc. And then get onto some fun things. Yeah. So I've just finished mucking out Nibbles, Jarvis and Blaze, and I'm going to go try and find the sledges because we're going to hopefully attach a sledge to Lia and Bruno. Look! The snow's coming your stable. How do you feel about it, Betty? Whee! You good girl. Whoa! Oh my god. Look at this, Eddie. Oh, no. That was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. No, look at my knee. My knee's soaked. I literally cannot look. Look how deep it is in some places. You're on video. Can you unblock this door, please? Because the sledges are in here, I think. Okay. I thought we had a plastic one. The sleds are in here somewhere. Oh look, we've got a bodyboard over there. Mission accomplished, guys. I found them both. Do not mind this mess. This is literally majority of the stuff still from our house in London. I'm gonna get to move because obviously we haven't moved into the farmhouse yet. But I found them. Okay, so we just took some photos in the snow. I did it with Nibbles and Jarvis, and Molly did it. Molly, stop! And then Molly did it with Goldie and Luna, and we just come in because we were absolutely freezing, and I had to take some photos with some stuff that I got sent. And yeah, basically I took my coat off and I was absolutely freezing. So now, after I've had something to eat, because I am starving, we're going to go out, put the Pessoa on Lia, and we're going to... For God's sake, sorry. We're going to go out and put the roller on Lia, and hopefully she's going to pull us along in the sledge.
Yeah. Oh, she doesn't have shoes on, so obviously if we had all the shoes on, we wouldn't do that, because then it would... But we said earlier, oh, I know, the stupid phone cut off.
Yeah.
The snow here, so first of all, they don't have shoes, the horse we're using, and second of all, the snow here is quite light and fluffy, so it's not like that really thick compact stuff. Because we even took horses out just to get photos in the snow with Nibble, and nothing went in there in the hoof frame. Yeah.
I don't have any snacks and we can't go out to get snacks. So I'm going to Tesco Resort to... I've already had some quavers. I'm going to have some custard creams. Got to like the custard cream. So the photos that I just got in this base layer and these leggings, these Cavallo leggings, are from Equine Royale. So if you go check over on Instagram, check out their Instagram. They literally are a one-stop shop. They sell everything from fluffy boots to snoods to sets of leggings. They do breeches. Yeah, they literally do the lot, so go check them out.
the cameras.
I just went on the sledge. I ate all the snow. And it's all on my hat.
Horse goes faster.
Horse goes faster and Lia just turns abruptly.
Get your balance!
Look at your face, look at me. There you go, you made it. I'm freezing. It's still snowing, if you can see. It's literally been snowing all day. Well, like since, I don't know, like 6 o'clock last night. Got my deformed hood because I've got another hood up on top of it. Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm about to go put the horses to bed now though because it's like 3:30. Molly's done their foods and they got snow in them. Oh my god, I can't deal with this weather anymore. Wilma's on the yard. Wilma! Hello, little chicken. Hello. So my phone actually died when I was, oh my god, look at my hair, whilst I was out on the yard finishing up, but that is the end of the video today. I basically just put them to bed, did their waters, haze, and fed them, and yeah, now I've come in early because it's freezing outside. So thank you for watching this video. It was a bit of a random one. I just thought I'd do it today because obviously snow doesn't come very often, but yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. We try to reply to all of your comments down there, so comment down there. And I'll see you next time. See you later.